everyone, today we're going to be looking at a quick fix to improve the performance of your Dyson vacuum cleaner, or really any vacuum cleaner that has a similar brush at the bottom. My Dyson is a Dyson DC14. I noticed recently that it was no longer working so well on carpets, and after flipping it over and taking a look at the bottom, I could see why. Looking at the brush, it looks disgusting. There is tons of hair and carpet fibers all wrapped up around it. At this point, you can't even see the brushes anymore, so it's no wonder it's not cleaning very effectively. Before I show you how to fix this, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more videos on how to do a variety of different things. Okay, so on this Dyson, this is pretty straightforward. There are 3 plastic screws that you need to turn 90 degrees so that you can release the cover that covers up the brush. I'll do each one now. You just need a simple flathead screwdriver. Once you've loosened all 3, the plastic cover just pops off. Simple. Initially, I did try to clean this up while it was still in place so I didn't have to deal with the belt. It was a bit tricky, so I went ahead and removed the entire thing. I stretched the belt gently but as best I could, and I was able to remove the brush as you see here. Now we can really get a look at this. This thing is filthy. To try and do this by hand seemed like a losing battle, so I grabbed some scissors and I started cutting as much as I could. Once I had made a cut with the scissors, I did find that you could easily grab chunks and pull it right off. I worked at this for about 10 minutes and this is what we were left with. It looks so much better, but ideally I don't like to put things back together when they're not completely clean. I took the brush and the cover over to the sink and rinsed them both off and gave them a little bit of a scrub to get any dirt out. And once they were finished being cleaned and dried, they looked like new. Getting this brush back in was a little bit tricky, so what I did was I used a flathead screwdriver to stretch up the belt, and I was able to wiggle the brush back in. As you can see here, my belt was twisted when it was initially popped back on, so make sure you twist it back so that there's no twists in the belt before you turn the vacuum back on. After doing that, I took the bottom cover and I clipped it back into place. And then one at a time, I turned all the screws back 90 degrees to lock the cover into place. And we are finished. Let's test this out and see how it works. And what a difference that made. I wished I had recorded the sound before, but it even sounds better now, and its performance on carpet is way better. If this video helped you out at all, please take a minute to hit the subscribe button. It would really help me out. I'm well on my way to 100 subscribers.